Are you planning to start your career as Safe Scrum Master? Does your organization transforming to Agile? Does your organization scaling towards Scaled Agile framework? Are you still not sure about how Safe Scrum Master certification will help you with learning, growing in your career, and can also help you facilitating safe practice in your organization? Myself, Saurabh Saxena, welcome you to the Safe Scrum Master Training cum Certification Program. The purpose of this training is to examine the role of the Scrum Master in the context of your team and the whole enterprise. The training is successfully designed and carry out the program increment PI, the key enabler of alignment throughout all levels of safe configuration. You will gain knowledge of the essential elements of agile development and scale, how Scrum is supported across the organization, and how to carry out iteration planning. With the help of this course, you will be able to develop high-performing agile teams and learn how to teach them to provide the greatest possible amount of business value at scale. The course is designed for future Scrum Masters, project managers, program managers, and portfolio managers, delivery managers, and quality managers who are about to start their journey as Scrum Master to help them utilize the scaled agile framework effectively to optimize the team efficiency. You can rely on Advanced Agility as your career partner because Advanced Agility is accredited gold partner of Scaled Agile Academy. Trainers will have more than 20 years of industrial experience, and we provide 2 days of training with our expert who assure 100% passing result, extensively and highly interactive mock exam to prepare you for the final exam, one-to-one mentoring by our trainers to improve your knowledge, 16 PDUs for your P and 16 SU from your Scrum education unit, detailed down-level courseware approved by Scaled Agile, 1-year membership to the Scaled Agile community platform. The fee you pay to Advanced Agility includes your fee for 2 days of the training and also includes your Safe Scrum Master certification. Let's talk about few benefits what you will have with the Safe Scrum Master certification. As part of Safe Scrum Master, participant will be learning the essential of developing a scaled agile framework, how Scrum is facilitated across the organization, and how to carry out iteration planning. Additionally, participant will learn how to leverage scaled agile to teach the agile teams to provide the most amount of business value possible under SAFe. With the Safe Scrum Master certification, you can demonstrate to teams and organizations who are using SAFe that are qualified to carry out the Scrum Master duties in a safe context. Let's look at few objectives of Safe Scrum Master certification. You will be able to address Agile and Scrum anti-patterns. You will be able to transform the group into a high-performing team that always seek to get better. You will be able to encourage all the team members to use DevOps, Agile architecture, and engineering method across all teams. You will be able to encourage improved program increment planning and execution, which will result in the prompt delivery of end-to-end systems. And lastly, you will be able to encourage and mentor team members from various teams to use SAFe concept to accomplish the goal. The topics we covered in the class: we start with introducing Scrum in SAFe. We move toward characterizing the role of the Scrum Master, followed by experiencing the PI planning, facilitating iteration execution, and finishing the PI. We close our class with practicing SAFe, where we talk about community access, how to prepare for the exam, how to go with your certification, how you will be receiving the license, the renewal of your license, various community access, and your toolkit. In 2 days of the class, you will learn the foundational ideas and elements of agile development. You will learn how to apply Scrum in safe enterprise and recognize the essential component of Scrum. You will also learn how to be a successful Scrum Master by describing the roles and responsibility of the position. You will examine the anti-patterns in Agile and Scrum. You will learn about PI planning and how to support this event. You will also recognize the safe tenets. You will also recognize safe principle and take part in a full iteration, creating effective teams, enhance flow using Kanban practices. You will be able to identify the characteristics of a servant leader, strong coaching questions, and firm experience. So why to wait? Check it out on the Skilled Agile portal and block your class right now. Thank you.